how to unban Ometv TV on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to unban Ometv TV on iPhone. So to unban Ometv TV on iPhone, you must submit an appeal through Ometv TV support and avoid using risky bypass methods that could worsen the ban. So Ometv TV bans are often tied to device or IP violations, so resolving them requires a careful, legitimate approach. So first thing you can do is to understand the ban reason. Ometv TV bans may result from violating community guidelines, inappropriate behavior or content, false reports, or automated moderation. Bans can be temporary or permanent and may apply to your account device or IP address. Second is to submit an official appeal. So visit the official Ometv TV support page or use the contact us option in the app. And then provide a screenshot of the ban message, a brief explanation if you believe the ban was a mistake. Be respectful and clear. Appeals are more likely to succeed if you show understanding of the rules. And lastly is to check for device or IP issues. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using mobile data. Restart your iPhone and reinstall the Ometv TV app. Avoid using VPNs unless Ometv TV explicitly allows it. Some VPNs trigger bans. And that is how you can basically unban Ometv TV on iPhone.